Hi, Cris Mac here from the Capelli Club. I'm going to be answering your top wedding day beauty questions. So I've decided I'm going to hire a hairstylist. After all, I want an updo, and I can't really do an updo on myself, or a semi-updo, can't really do that on myself. Do I really need to hire a makeup artist, a professional makeup artist with professional products? Let me answer that for you right now. So many of us in the industry are going to come together and probably try to highlight this exact same answer for you. When all is said and done and the photos are being printed and you've got that beautiful 8x10 in the living room on the mantle, you've got the thank you cards with the photo of you and your significant other and your little furry friend, and you're sending those out to thank everyone for the wonderful gifts. What's the result of those photos? Do the majority of your photos that you're sending out or printing or putting on your mantle, do they look like this? Or do they look like this? Your face is the highlight of your wedding day. It's you, your eyes, your smile, your skin, your bridal glow. It's your makeup artist that's going to help you with that. So though hair is important, you want to look and you don't want it to be bothersome during the day, and you do want to have a nice hairstyle, it's your face that's the highlight. So in fact, it's the last thing I would skip on. I'd be more inclined to whip some curls myself, together and have a beautiful face done than skip the face. So keep that in mind. What are you investing in when you print those photos? What do you see? The back of your head or your beautiful bridal smile? Thank you very much. I hope I've answered another question for you.